Speedometer gear for Jeep. Short shaft speedometer gear fits 9301 Jeep Cherokee, 93-98 Grand Cherokee, and 9306 Wrangler with electrically driven speedometer. Easy bolt-on installation. Short speedometer. After vehicle maintenance, especially after installing larger tires, bring your speedometer and odometer up to speed and get accurate mileage readings with this speedo gear that fixes calibration issues. Off-road accessories. Get serious about the drive with a variety of off-road Jeep accessories, from entry guards and floor liners to entry guards, snorkel kits and antennas for a customized vehicle with top-grade gear. Rugged Ridge Jeep parts. Count on Rugged Ridge to provide you with proven Jeep parts and accessories like bumpers, lift kits, wheels, interior accessories, floor liners and more for varying Jeep models. 39-tooth short shaft speedometer gear. Top reviews from the United States. A part that does what it says. Figure out your gear ratio. There are easy videos to do it yourself. Then look at the graph for your tire size and gear ratio. But what it tells you. Installs in 5 minutes. Works.